Hello Cranston, I want to give you an update on your son's car. I have yet to duplicate the problem. I tested the sensor and all the wiring down below on the transmission. I can't get anything to go wrong with it. So I'm focusing more on the speedo head right here, this cluster. And what I've done is I've tapped in to the wire that comes from the sensor up to the cluster, the signal wire, and what I'm looking for is for this to drop out, and I'm going to show you what the signal looks like on my oscilloscope here. As you can see, as I get going, look at this scope, it sends a square wave through, and as we go faster it gets smaller and smaller. It's just a signal that goes to this. Pretty simple. So I got a feeling that this is happening when this thing sits in the hot sun for a while, because it's not doing it now, which would make sense, because this speedo head's going to get hot and probably break down. It's probably happening the first thing in the morning when he first drives it, after it's been sitting in the sun or after it's sat for a while. So what I'm looking for is this to drop to 0 and to see a signal here, and if we have that, then we got a bad cluster. If we have this drop and this drops, then we're looking at a sensor and some wiring. All right, man, talk to you soon.